Living in the heart of the city, surrounded by concrete and steel, it's easy to feel disconnected from the natural world. We see it every time we go to the grocery store. That sticker shock as the price of fresh vegetables and herbs keeps climbing. With rising food costs and growing environmental concerns, have you ever considered a radical alternative? What if you could grow your own food, even if you live in a small apartment or a home with no yard at all? Have you ever stopped to think about the journey that head of lettuce took to reach your plate? Often it's traveled hundreds, even thousands of miles, losing nutrients and racking up a significant carbon footprint along the way. It might sound like a far-fetched dream, but the truth is, you don't need acres of land to become a farmer. You just need to redefine what a farm can be. The urban farming revolution is here, and it's happening on windowsills, balconies, and rooftops just like yours. Imagine stepping out to snip fresh basil for your pasta, or harvesting crisp, vibrant salad greens that have never seen the inside of a plastic bag. This isn't just about gardening. It's about reclaiming a piece of your food supply, enhancing your food security, and experiencing the unparalleled taste of something you've grown with your own hands. We're going to demystify the entire process. We'll show you exactly how to maximize even the tiniest of urban spaces. We'll explore innovative techniques like vertical gardening to make the most of your wall space, and even introduce you to simple, do-it-yourself hydroponic systems that don't require any soil at all. We'll cover everything from choosing the right plants for your specific light conditions to creating the perfect soil mix and watering schedule. Welcome to Don't Do This Guide. Our mission is simple. We challenge conventional wisdom and help you sidestep the common, costly mistakes that discourage so many aspiring urban gardeners. In a small space, every decision counts, and we're here to give you the practical, no-nonsense advice that leads to a thriving, productive garden. If you're ready to transform your small space, reduce your grocery bills, and enjoy the freshest food you've ever tasted, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You won't want to miss a single tip on this journey to becoming a successful urban farmer. So what is so good about urban gardening? Urban gardening isn't just a hobby. It's a solution to multiple modern challenges. The average meal travels over 1,500 miles before reaching your plate, contributing significantly to carbon emissions. When you grow your own food, you eliminate transportation, reduce packaging waste, and ensure maximum freshness and nutrition. Beyond environmental benefits, urban gardening provides food security, reduces grocery bills, and connects you with your food source. It also builds community connections and provides physical activity and mental health benefits through gardening therapy. So, no space? No problem. Switch to vertical and container gardening. If you think you're out of room, it's time to look up. Vertical gardening maximizes your growing area by using wall space and height, not floor space. This method transforms forgotten surfaces like bare walls or fences into vibrant, living walls of food. It's especially effective for lightweight crops like leafy greens, lettuce, and kale, as well as a wide variety of herbs and even trailing plants like strawberries. You can create vertical systems using repurposed materials. A pallet garden is a great DIY project. You'll need a heat-treated pallet, landscape fabric, and a staple gun. Simply create fabric pockets inside the pallet slats. Fill them with soil and plant your seedlings. For an even quicker start, a sturdy hanging shoe organizer can be hung on a sunny wall and filled with soil, creating an instant cascade of fresh herbs. Equally versatile is container gardening, which lets you grow in almost any vessel that holds soil and provides drainage. The beauty of this method lies in its flexibility and control. You choose the soil mix, control the watering, and can move your plants to chase the sun. From quirky repurposed items like old boots and tin cans to classic terracotta pots, your creativity is the only limit. A great way to begin is by starting small to build your confidence. A simple row of mason jars on a sunny kitchen windowsill is perfect for culinary herbs like basil, mint, and parsley. As you get comfortable, you can graduate to larger containers. A 5-gallon bucket can become a happy home for a tomato plant, while a window box can support radishes or spring onions. Success in container gardening hinges on a few fundamentals. First, container size is critical. A plant with a large root system will become stunted in a small pot. Second, and most importantly, is drainage. Without drainage holes, water will pool and cause fatal root rot. If your container doesn't have them, you must add them. Finally, ensure your plants get enough sunlight, as most vegetables need at least 6 hours per day. And don't forget the air above you. Hanging baskets are a fantastic way to use vertical space on balconies or porches. They are ideal for plants with a trailing habit, like cascading cherry tomatoes or tumbling varieties of strawberries. Edible flowers like nasturtiums are also a great choice, adding both beauty and a peppery kick to your salads. The word hydroponics might sound complex, but it's simply the art of growing plants without soil. This method is a game changer for urban gardeners, offering incredible efficiency in small spaces. Basic systems are surprisingly simple to build, giving you complete control over your plant's nutrition from day one. Let's explore a couple of beginner-friendly setups you can build at home. The easiest entry point is the passive Kratky method. You just need a mason jar, a net pot, a growing medium like clay pebbles, and nutrient solution. Place a seedling in the net pot and set it in the jar. As the plant drinks, the water level drops, creating an air pocket that provides oxygen to the roots. No pumps, no electricity, just simple science. It's perfect for growing herbs like basil and mint, or a head of lettuce on your windowsill. Ready to grow more? A deep water culture or DWC system is your next step. This uses a larger, opaque container, a lid with holes for several net pots, and an air pump connected to an air stone. The air stone sits at the bottom, constantly bubbling oxygen into the nutrient solution. This supercharges root health and leads to even faster, more vigorous growth. You can grow an entire salad bar in a single tub. The magic is in the nutrient solution, a balanced mix of all essential elements. They usually come in a 2 or 3 part liquid concentrate. Here's a crucial safety tip. Never mix the concentrates directly. Always add part A to your water and mix thoroughly before adding part B. This prevents nutrient lockout. Also, wear gloves when handling them. For best results, use a simple pH testing kit. Keeping your water's pH between 5.5 and 6.5 is key for nutrient absorption. The results are astounding. Hydroponic plants often grow 30 to 50% faster and can produce higher yields than soil-grown plants. Their roots don't waste energy searching for food. Everything they need is delivered directly. This allows the plant to focus its energy on growing lush leaves and fruits. Plus, with no soil, you eliminate the risk of soil-borne pests and diseases, creating a cleaner growing environment. The biggest advantage for urban farmers is that hydroponics is perfect for indoors. Pair your system with a full-spectrum LED grow light, and you're no longer limited by seasons or sunlight. A small closet or kitchen corner can become a year-round source of fresh produce. Imagine harvesting fresh lettuce for a salad in winter. With a simple DIY hydroponic setup, that becomes your reality. Rooftops and balconies offer excellent growing conditions with abundant sunlight and good air circulation. However, these elevated spaces require special consideration for wind protection and weight distribution. Always check your balcony's weight capacity and distribute heavy containers evenly across support beams. Proper drainage is crucial to prevent water damage to your building and maintain healthy plant roots. Plan for seasonal rotations, moving tender plants indoors during harsh weather, and maximizing growing seasons. With proper planning, even a small balcony can produce significant amounts of fresh vegetables and herbs. Next up is community gardens and shared spaces. Community gardens multiply your growing space while building valuable connections with fellow urban farmers. These spaces provide access to experienced gardeners who can share techniques, troubleshoot problems, and offer ongoing support. Shared resources like tools, compost systems, and bulk seed purchases make gardening more affordable for everyone. Most community gardens operate democratically, with members participating in planning, maintenance, and rule setting. Find local community gardens through city websites, gardening organizations, or neighborhood social media groups. If no gardens exist nearby, consider organizing neighbors to start one on vacant lots or underused public spaces. Composting in small spaces is entirely possible with the right system for your living situation. Worm composting, or vermicomposting, works perfectly indoors and produces both compost and liquid fertilizer. Bokashi composting uses fermentation to process all food scraps, including meat and dairy, in sealed containers. The finished compost enriches your garden soil, reducing the need for commercial fertilizers. Home composting can reduce household waste by up to 30% while creating valuable garden resources. Compost tea provides immediate nutrition to plants and can be made from finished compost or worm castings. There you have it! From tiny balconies to shared community plots, maximizing urban spaces for food security is not only possible, it's a powerful step towards sustainability and self-reliance. If you found this guide helpful and are inspired to start your own urban garden, Please give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more guides on how to do things right by learning from common mistakes.